Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Muskan Agarwal and today you're seeing like a new version of me. Like this is the curly hair era. So these are like my natural hair. I usually do not like my hair like this, and like I usually straighten it, but I'm trying to embrace more of my natural hair and natural side. But okay, cutting the bluff, let's come to the point about the interview at Imperial. So the last video that I put, I got so many DMs that like, can you talk about your interview process? Was the application the only thing? So guys, the application is not the only thing. Application is of course just the first step. After about 1 month of submitting my application, I got a response that okay, you are shortlisted for the interview. They gave me 3 dates, 3 dates nahi. They gave me a 3-day time period within which I can choose any time. It's basically a Kira interview. What do you mean by a Kira interview is basically there is not like a real person taking an interview. Instead, it's like an AI based interview wherein they have like thousands of questions, and then your question would be like a random question. There would be a video popped in front of you, and then you would have to give your answer. I did research a lot ki, what are the kind of questions, something that I can prepare and everything, and that is exactly what I will be sharing it with you guys. Number one, they will be asking for your introduction. Do prepare your introduction. Like I'll tell you. So first of all, they'll give you a question and then a particular time frame within which you have to answer. I'm really bad at that, and I know a lot of people struggle with that whenever that time is there, I just start stuttering a lot. I don't know for what reason. But yeah, that is the case, and usually it is like 1 minute का introduction होता है, but in my scenario it was 2 minute का introduction. If I clearly remember, it was like 1 minute 45 seconds or 2 minutes. I was under the impression it would be 1 minute, but suddenly it was that. So anything can happen, but introduction तो पूछा ही जाएगा. In introduction you can talk about your journey from the start again. Make sure that you are in sync with your answers. Do not tell X in your answers and Y in your interview. That's a complete red flag, and that will only be possible if you will be 100% genuine in what you are writing. So basically prepare your introduction well, that like give like what are you doing currently, why do you want to do it, what are your achievements, like think about all the achievements and basically plug in into that. I am not saying that just say XXXXX I did, but whatever you did, how is it helping you, or how much of that particular thing have had a role on what you're doing right now. So for example, I mentioned that hello, I am like at that time I was a software engineer at Amazon. I mentioned that, I mentioned about my business, I mentioned about that how I am working not just with Indian clients but international clients as well, and how I have been doing this for the last 3 years, how I have my YouTube channel, how I have these XYZ subscribers, how I have my LinkedIn community wherein I talk about so much stuff, and like talk in metrics also, because at the end of the day what you have achieved also matters. Like you're doing XYZ, but what have you achieved with that? Is it like a community that you have helped? Is it in metrics? Is it something that you have helped in optimization? So talk a lot in metrics, a lot in numbers as well. The next thing that they will probably ask is like it will be some question related to Imperial Business School, like why Imperial Business School, or why that particular course, why do you want to do it from London itself. Oh, this is very important, that sometimes they do ask that why do you want to do it from London. You have to be very clear, to be honest. For example, you can mention that the community is really great, the networking opportunities are great, or like just figure out what London has to provide you that nobody else does. Or probably you can talk about one college professor from that particular college in this particular domain that you really want to work under, that you've been following them from so many years, and you really this has been your dream to work with them, under them, whatever. And that just adds a lot of reasoning behind why you're doing it, and that just gives them that edge, that okay, this is not just another college application that you are filling, you're actually genuinely very interested into going to that college. The number 3 question that I had was a very very hypothetical question. Was ki if you have okay, let me not reveal the exact question, but let's say, like, how do I manipulate it and tell it to you guys? But let's say they'll give you a scenario based question. Let's say you have this, then now what will you do? Here they want to check your thought process at the moment, right? Because this is one question that you would not have imagined. Like, even I did not imagine that question coming up. For example, let's say if I have to ask you to live the same life for 100 years, or live different types of lives, or have different experiences, but you will only be alive for 10 years, what will you choose? Now you would say, oh, how is it related to business school? How is it related to any of what anything that you're going to do? But you can get these kind of questions as well. They want to understand your thought process, like how do you think, how genuine you are, and everything else. So one similar kind of question I got as well. So it's a pretty basic interview, like 20 minutes का होता है. It's not like they're going to ask not 20 minutes, I think 20 to 30 minutes, कुछ ऐसा ही होता है. And then they'll be asking you pretty basic questions, nothing huge कि आपको preparation करने की ज़रूरत है. You need not prepare, but you can try practicing it with your friend or something. For example, what I did was, you will find a lot of websites on the internet wherein people have written their responses. So let's say like you know about this question now, introduction. Just try putting the timer on, like for let's say 1 minute 45 seconds, 2 minutes, and try speaking and try to keep somebody on call and ask their feedback. Oh, do you think I was able to cover all my achievements? Do you think I was crystal clear? And most of you would have given TOEFL by this time, so I think like speaking would not be a problem, right? So this is something that you can do. And other than that, to be honest, like, it is more or less similar. Like in the college application, maybe they have gotten all the information that they've already wanted. In an interview, genuinely they are not looking ways to reject you. They are looking ways how they can actually take you, because they have given you a chance to give you an interview that shows that okay, they are really interested in your candidature. So do not go with that mindset. Do not go with a lot of stress or anything. Another very important tip apart from this thing is that dress very properly. Like for example, I wore formals, like a white shirt and a black blazer with like clean pony tied hair. So do that as well, because they have actually not mentioned that anywhere. I don't remember like reading anywhere in their instructions that wear XYZ kind of clothes. But if you are wearing formals, that just shows that how serious you are about this, and that just adds a much better impression. Try to look into the camera as much as possible. Like with me, I am trying to improve on that, but if you would have seen my videos, I'll probably look here, there and there. I'm trying to improve on that, but do not do that. Even if you do not want to probably look at the person who is asking the question, try to look at the camera, or just try to not look here and there while you are answering, because that just shows that you are confident. Maintain like a subtle smile, like all the while. Like do not make them feel that oh, you are under so much of stress that you are answering these questions. No, treat it more like a discussion, or treat it more like just they want to know more about you, and like just deep dive into your expertise and nothing apart from that. So yeah, I think these were the things. So Imperial ke around all the questions, like why Imperial, why London specifically, have a very crisp intro with you. Do not learn your answers, but have very specific pointers in mind that okay, these are my reasoning. Now whatever question would be, I'll just gather all the reasonings, and they'll also give you some time to prepare. For example, a question flashes by on your screen, they'll give you like a 45-second to prepare your answer as well. So a lot of times people do keep diaries with them to just write the pointers. I did not do that because I just feel like it's a lot of I just end up wasting a lot of time. But you can see if that works better for you. You can do that, but in 45 seconds, just basically now you have pointers in mind, just try to gather all the pointers and frame an answer. And to be honest, at the end of the interview you will think that, oh, it did not go well, I really messed it up. But trust me, they are not looking for perfect answer, they are just looking for a genuine answer. They really want to know you. So yeah, these were my interview experiences. After about, I think, 15 days from interview, I got a mail that I have been selected, and then after a week or so I got an email for scholarship as well. I cannot tell the exact details about the scholarship because that is not allowed. But yeah, I would tell you that it is whatever is the fees of LBS, it is a substantial amount in comparison to the fees, like almost 20% you can say. And yeah, these were my few tips. Let me know in the comment section below if you would want to know anything else about the experience, and I would love to share that with you guys. Bye.